Friday. We have come to the weekend. So tomorrow is again Saturday, Sunday. It's a jolly day. Yes, children? Friday. Friday. So are you all writing in your notebook? Friday. Today's day is Friday and date. Today's date is 7/8/2020. I think yes, date is 7/8/2020. So number 7 denotes today's date and number 8 denotes the month. So we are in August month. AUGUST. August. 7 August 2020 and 2020 denotes the year. Yes, children. So we'll move on to the next slide. Yeah. Fact of the week. So we are going to today we are going to learn a new fact. Fact about lions. Lions. What's the fact about lions? See, the lion's feet do not touch the ground when it walks. See, normally when we all walk, the full feet will touch the ground, isn't it, children? But these lions, no, they do not. The lion's feet do not touch the ground when it walks. They tiptoe all the time. They tiptoe all the time. They walk on their toes. They're not the only one toe, no, right? A tiptoe. They tiptoe all the time. It is an interesting fact, isn't it, children? Yeah. So, before moving to the lesson, we have something new here. Yes? Character education. Character education.
Yes.
Yes, Jaya ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Kiran, my ma'am. Yes, children. See, children, I want everybody to join on time. The time is 9:15. Okay, I want everybody to join on time. Okay, I see many children joining 9:14. At 9:14, 9:13 itself, please join before 9:15 to 9:16. Okay, fine. Now, let's move on to the topic. Yes. So hereafter, every week we are going to have virtue of the week. We are going to have virtue of the week. Okay. What do we mean by virtue of the week? Virtue means nothing. It's good habit. Okay. Nallorikam. Good habit. Okay. Va? So why character is important? Why character is important, children? It is because it says who we are. Okay, it says who we are and how we act. Who we are and how we act with others. See, for example, how we care for others, how respectful we are, and how trustful we are. Okay, children? See, how we care for others, how respectful, and how trustful we are. Okay, so people around us notice. People around us keep on noticing us. Okay, when we portray these traits, when we portray this traits. Okay, children. So let's see virtue of this week. Virtue of this week. Yes, this week is about kindness. This week is about kindness. Kindness, the most valuable gift you will ever give someone. The most valuable gift that you will ever give someone. Okay. So now let me share a story with you. So kindness is nothing but taking care of others. Okay. Fine. So now let me share a story with you. It's a very interesting story. Listen, okay? One day, what happened? An old man, he was walking along the beach. He was walking along the beach. He noticed a small boy picking some things. Okay, he was picking some things and throwing back to the into the ocean. Okay, on the beach there were some things lying down. So what the boy was doing, he was picking and he was throwing back to the ocean. So the old man came near the boy. That old man, what he did, he came near the boy and asked, "What are you doing, my boy?" That old man asked the boy, "What are you doing, my boy?" So the boy replied, "I am throwing the starfish back into the ocean." What he's doing? He's throwing the starfish back into the ocean. Okay. So if I do not do, if I no, do not Alman,
Muhammad Alman. YouTube mic ma. Kana. Muhammad Alman from 1F.
so the boy, yes, Salman. So the boy replied, "I am throwing the starfish back into the ocean. If I do not throw them, they will die." What he said to the old man? He said, "I'm throwing the starfish back into the ocean. If I do not throw them, they will die." See, if fish come out of the water, what will happen? It will die, right? So likewise, the boy was helping starfish. So what the old man did, no? The old man laughed. He laughed and said, "See, young man, there are hundreds of starfish. There are hundreds of starfish. How can you save everything?" So the old man the old man told the boy, "See, there are hundreds of starfish. How can you save everything?" So the boy listened politely. He didn't even reply. He listened politely and bent down and picked up another starfish. Okay, he bent down and picked up another starfish and threw it back into the water. What he did? Again, he threw it back into the water. And with a big smile, the boy said, "Maybe it is impossible for me to save everything, but at least I can do a difference to that one." See how kind he was. So he told that old man, see old man, maybe it is impossible for me to save all the starfishes, but I can save at least one. I can save at least one. Okay. So now, as from next slide. So children, it is important to be kind because it makes you feel good about yourself. Okay, it is important to be kind because it makes you feel good about yourself. Okay, children. From today onwards, we are going to take a pledge. From today onwards, we are going to take a pledge that we are going to be kind with everyone. We are going to be kind with everyone. Okay. So from today onwards, we are going to take a pledge that we are going to be kind with everyone. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, Mohammed Alman. Mohammed Alman, can you please unmute your video also? Unmute your video, Kanna. Sridhar sir? Yes, Mohammed Alman. Thank you. Yes, children. So now, let's move into our grammar part. So today we are going to see our workbook exercises. It's about nouns and verbs. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. And as I told you, verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. The words that describe one's action, isn't it? A verb is a word that describes one's action. So now let's move to the first exercise. Now let's move to the first exercise. Yeah. Underline the action words in the sentences given below. Underline the sentences, underline the action words in the sentences given below. Okay? Fine. Let me read out the first sentence. Listen to the sentence carefully and you're going to tell me which is the action you heard. Okay? The first sentence. The children draw pictures in their notebook. The children draw pictures in their notebook. So according to you, which is an action word here? Yeah, very good. Draw. When I say draw, you are going to, you're able to do something action, right? Drawing. Yeah, so draw. Very nice. So the children draw pictures in their notebooks. Draw. So draw is an action word. So now I have 58 participants here. So let me remind you, parents, kindly join on time. The class timing is at 9:15. Try to join before 9:16. Thank you. Next, the second sentence, the worms eat up all the leaves. The worms eat up all the leaves. So here the worms, what is the action they are doing? Eat. Very good. The worms eat. Eating is an action word. So eat is a verb. Yes, let's underline the word eat. Okay, the third sentence. My friend carries an umbrella when it rains. My friend carries an umbrella when it rains. So what is an action word here? Carries. So to take along with. Okay, carries means to take along with. So my friend carries. So carries is an action word. Very good. The next word, birds sing on trees. Birds sing on trees. So birds, what is the action they are doing? They are singing on trees. Okay. So sing is a verb.
Mitesh.
Birds sing on trees.
Mitesh.
Is that?
Excuse me, ma'am. Mitrish, kindly mute now. Thank you.
Yes. The next sentence. Many boats sail in the sea. Many boats sail in the sea. So many boats, what is the action boats are doing over here? They are sailing. Yeah, sail. Sail is an action word. Sail in the sea. I breathe fresh air. I breathe fresh air. Yeah, breathing. Inhale, exhale. Through your nose we'll do, right? Inhaling and exhaling. Yeah, breathing. So breathe is an action word. Okay, so breathe. Fine. And we have the last sentence here. They water the plants in the morning. They water the plants in the morning. See, water. They water. What is the action they are doing here? They water the plant. So, watering. Okay, water. It is an action word here. So, they water the plants in the morning. So, water. Let's underline the word water. Yes. So, verbs are action words. Okay, children? Words are action. Verbs are action words. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. Yeah, now let's move on to the next. Yes, children, here we are going to choose the words according to the sentence. We are going to choose the verbs. Okay, we are going to choose the action words and fill in the blanks. See, here I would like to tell you a rule. If if in a sentence, if it's a singular noun, okay, if it is a singular noun, we should add yes to the verbs. Okay, let me explain you with the first sentence. The man is a singular noun or plural noun? The man is a singular noun or plural noun? It's a singular noun. Okay, only one man, right? Very good. Singular, only one man. So the man dash a book. We all will read a book. Very good. So here the man read a book. No, we should add yes. The man reads a book. Ma'am, can you please increase the size of the font? Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. The man, see when I write read, it's not correct. The man reads a book. So when it is a singular, for the action words, we have to add yes. Okay? If it's a plural noun, we should write the verb as it is. Okay? So now second sentence. The girl dash a song. What will we do with the song? We will obviously sing the song, right? So here it is a singular. So the girl sings. So we are going to add yes to the verb. To the action word. Yeah, the girl sings a song. Sings a song. The next one. The children. Singular or plural. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, லெஸ் சேர்த்து எழுதுறீங்க புரியலீங்களே.
என்ன மேம்?
இப்போ ரீட்ஸ்னு போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ஒன்லி சிங்கிள் சேர்த்து எழுதுறீங்க. கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்களா, புரியலையே.
The man is a singular.
Yes, ma'am.
A man is a singular. Okay? Reads. Read is an action word. So when it is singular, verb la vandu we have to add yes. When it comes to the verb, we should add yes.
Okay.
Man reads a book. Okay? The girl, only one girl, sings a song. Sing a song. We are not supposed to say sing a song. It's grammatically wrong. The girl sings a song. That's why I'm telling you, if it is a singular noun, we have to add yes to the verb. If it is a plural, we are not supposed to add. We just write it. Sings a song. See, let me explain the third one. At that time, you will be clear. See, the children. The children is a singular or plural? It is a plural. Yeah, the children, plural. Dash in the playground. What is the action they will do in the playground? Plural. Yes, that is correct. What is the action they will do? Play. Yeah, the children play in the playground. Okay, they will not, we should not say plays in the playground. The children play in the playground. Yes, children, the children play in the playground. See the next sentence, we have the boy. The boy is a singular. One boy, only one boy. Dash in the swimming pool. Very good. Swims. We are adding S to the action word. The boy swims in the swimming pool. Right. Yes. The next one, the teacher. Only one teacher is there. So what she'll do on the blackboard? She will write, isn't it? So the teacher writes. The teacher writes. See, yes, we should add yes to the verb. W-R-I-T-E-S. Writes. The teacher writes on the blackboard. The next sentence. The girl dash over the skipping rope. Yeah, very good. the girl dash over the skipping rope. With the skipping rope, what we will do? We will do the action skipping. Okay. So here the girl is only one. Only one girl is here. So we should add yes to the action word. Skips. S-K-I-P-S. The girl skips over the skipping rope. Next sentence. Listen children. The students. Singular or plural? Plural form. The students. Okay, students dash at the joke. If you hear a joke, what you all will do? We all will laugh, right? We all will laugh. Yes. So the students a plural form. So we have to write the action word as such. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh at the joke. Very nice. Next, my mother. Mother is only one person. Dash a car. What is the action we do here? We will drive. Isn't it? Drive. So, but my mother is only one person. So for that word drive, we have to add yes. My mother drives a car. Okay. So if it is a singular, if it's a singular noun, just keep this in mind. If it's a singular noun, we have to add yes to the verbs. If it is a singular noun, we have to add yes to the verbs. If it is a singular noun, we have to add yes to the verbs. Okay, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay, children? Yes. So now let's move on to the next. Yeah. Rearrange the following letters to form verbs. Rearrange the following letters to form verbs. So now, yes, Kiran, my ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So here we have some questions here. The letters are given and it is all in a jumbled format. Yes, it is not in a proper format. We are going to rearrange this, and if we rearrange, then we will get a verb from that. Yes, so rearrange the following letters to form verbs. Okay, so for each question, I will just give you a clue. Okay, I will just give you a clue and you can find out the answer easily. Yeah, but already I got the answers. So nice, children. Super. You already found. Yeah. So the first one. So when your mother is giving you an apple, what you will do? What you will do? You will simply sit and see the apple? Or what is the action that you will do? Eat. Eat. When your mother is giving you an apple, what you will do? Eat. E-A-T. So eating is an action. The next one. Shop. What we will do when we go to shop? What we will do? We will simply go and stand. If we go and stand itself, the shopkeeper will give us what we want. We have to say that and we have to buy, isn't it? Buy. Buying is an action. B-U-Y. Buy. Third one. So fast, children. You have given answers so fast. Very good. But we will go slowly. Yes, everyone should understand, right? Okay. The third one. So what is the action done by all of us after eating the dinner? So after eating the dinner, what we will do? What we will do? Sleep. Yes. S-L-E-E-P. P. So sleeping is an action. The next one. So do we all have building blocks at our home? So what do we do with that? If you want a building, what we have to do? Build. Very good. Yes, build as an action. Building. Build as an action here. The next one. So if your mummy is giving you a juice, what you will do? If your mummy is giving you a juice, what you will do? Drink. Very good. So drink is an action word. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Very good. The next one. So what do we all do if we go to a playground? What do we all do if we go to a playground? Play. Very good. So play is an action. The next one. See, if you have a teddy bear at your home and it is so soft, no, the teddy bear is so soft. How you are saying that the teddy bear is so soft? How are you saying that the teddy bear is so soft? By touching. Yes, if we touch, then we will know it is soft or it is hard. Touch. T-O-U-C-H. Touching is an action. The next one, eighth one. So what do the monkeys do to go and sit on the top of a tree? What do the monkeys do? Climb. Very good. They climb the tree, right? Monkeys will climb the tree. Yeah. The next one. Number 9. Very good, Nandana. Before giving the clues, you guys are so smart here. Superb. We have given all the answers before I start. Break. And the last one? 10th one. Can I have the answer for the 10th one? Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. So smart, children. Very good. So you're able to find out without the clues itself. Yes. So all these are action words. So action words are called as verbs. Verbs. Drink, play, touch, climb, break, hear, build, sleep, buy, eat. So all these are actions. So action words are called as verbs. Now, the next exercise, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. So verbs are called action words. The first one, cows dash grass. Cows dash grass. So here children, cows, it's a singular noun or plural noun? Cows is a singular noun or plural noun? Cows is a plural noun. We have many cows here. The statement is telling many cows. Yes. So if it is a plural noun, we have to write the verb as it is. Eat. It will not have yes. The verb will not have the letter yes. Eat. Cows eat. We will not say cows eats. Cows eats grass. No, it is not a correct statement. So we can say it as cows eat grass. The next one, she. She dash well. See the answers, two answers are given. Dance, dances. So the verb, one is having S to it and another, it is there is no S in the verb. Dance, dances. So what is the answer? She is a singular noun or plural noun? It's a singular noun. So we will write dances. She dances well. The next one, trees. Third one, trees. Trees is a plural noun. So the verb should be as it is. Trees dash shade, give or gives, give. Very good, children. Give. Because the word trees is a plural form here. So we will write give. Trees give shade. The next one, the boy dash the door. The boy dash the door. Close or closes. Close or closes. The boy closes the door because we have only one boy here, right? The boy. The boy closes. So the verb will have yes in it. Closes. The last one, my mother dash food. My mother dash food, cook or cooks. My mother cook food. My mother cooks food. Which is correct? Cooks. Very good. My mother cooks food. Yes. Now you understood, children? So where to add yes and where not to add yes to the verbs? It's easy only. So if you see the noun, it will be very easy for you. Yeah. So here we have an activity, coloring activity. Color the nouns in orange and color the verbs in yellow. Color the nouns in orange and verbs in yellow. So here we have two peacocks and some words are given there. So if we read the word, then we will know, right? It is a noun or a verb. It is a naming word or an action word. Yes, children. So we'll start. Cap. Cap. Cap is a noun or a verb? Cap is a noun or a verb? Come on. Give me your answers.
Children, all the naming words are nouns. Action words are verbs. Okay? Yeah.
Cap is a noun. And the next word, run. Run. Run is a verb or a noun? Verb. Very good. So we will color the verb in yellow. The next one, ant. Ant. Ant is a verb or noun? Noun. Very good. We will color it in orange. And the next word, skip. Skip. Skip is an action word or a naming word? It's a noun or a verb? Action word. Very good. So we will color it in yellow. The next word, dog. Dog. Dog is a noun or a verb? It's a noun. Very good. So we will color it in orange. The next one, eat. Eat.
It's
It is an action word. Very good. Kindly mute. It is an action word. So we are coloring it in yellow color. The next one, read. Read. Read is an action word or a noun?
Noun.
It's a naming word. Verb. It's a verb, action word. Yes. The next one, bat. Bat is a noun or a verb? Very good. And the last word, stump. Stump is a noun or a verb? Verb. Very good. So we will color it in yellow. Yes? See, here in class we have completed one peacock. The another peacock is for you. Complete the other peacock and make it colorful. Okay, children? Yes. Here we have another activity. My colorful personality. Okay. Write your name in the cloud. See, can you see the cloud given here in this picture? So you have to write your name in the cloud. And tell the world how amazing you are. You're going to, no, here can you see the colorful ribbons given down, no, below the cloud? In each one, you're going to write something good about yourself. No, something good about yourself, like beautiful, kind, always smiling, like that. You can do this. You have to do it in the scrapbook. Yes, children, those who are having the scrapbook, kindly take your scrapbook. I want everyone to listen. Yeah, thank you. See, take your scrapbook. You are going to draw this. And you will write the name inside the cloud, your name inside this cloud, and some good points about yourself. Amazing things about yourself, like you're beautiful, you're looking beautiful, or very kind, the virtue of the weak is kind. Yes, we have taken a pledge to be kind, right? So we can write kind, sharing, like this. Whatever the amazing things you have, you can write it over here, take a picture of it, and send it to us. Okay, children? So this is going to be your today's activity.
Project work.
Yes, project work. Do it those who are having the scrapbook, kindly do it in your scrapbook.
This will be updated in MVM app. Yes, children, now we have come to the end of the session.
Yeah, ma'am. Like before that, dear parents, kindly please log in the MVM app regularly, and please do check the homeworks and the notes of the lesson. Hereafter, everything will be uploaded in the MVM app. So please do have a regular check on that.
E-learning. It will be in the menu, e-learning. Yes, parents. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev, children. Happy weekend.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Before ending the session, I want again, to make it a point, kindly log in by 9:15.
Second session 9:15. First session 8:15.
Yes. By 8:15, I saw only 20 participants. 9:15, I saw only 20 participants. No, which is not feeling good.
Be punctual, children. Fine? Punctuality is must. Punctuality is must.
It also comes under character education. Yes, ma'am?
Yes. Okay, children?
As if we are coming to school, come and sit in the online class. Yes, children. Don't take it a point. We are at home and we can log in at any time. So make it a point. You're all logging on time. You're all very good children, I know. So whatever ma'am is telling, you all will listen. And you're completing all your assignments. You're listening to the class. You are asking your doubts to us, clarifying everything.